Hi, I'm Learned Justin, and I wanted to show you a shoulder rig I came up with, which is very easy to build and very inexpensive, making it perfect for frugal filmmakers. Just two galvanized pipes with a number of PVC tees mounted onto the pipe. I also used a Photomate right here that I've had. You could use something else here. Anything to mount a quick connect on would be fine. But there is something unique about this. Let me just show you. Now what I've been able to do with this is to actually add two cameras, the DSLR and my camcorder, both on the shoulder rig at the same time. Also have a shotgun mic over here connected to a Zoom H1 on top of the DSLR. I'm thinking that this type of a rig is really going to be pretty interesting to try and use. You can run both cameras at the same time. You can run one camera or the other, and you could actually possibly turn the camcorder and get a little different angle as you shoot. I think there's a lot of possibilities with this. Very easy to make, almost nothing to it. I have hinge pins in here. I can take the handles off and collapse it down for carrying very easily. Kind of anxious to, haven't tried it yet, but other than being a little bit heavy, I think it's going to be fun to use. Can't wait to try it out. Now I know I said that rig was a little bit heavy. It's really not too bad. I don't think it's going to be a problem at all. I'm sure, like any other rig, you probably have to take a break once in a while, but I don't think it's going to be that bad. I thought maybe you'd want to see what I used as a shock mount for my Zoom H1. This is an FM antenna that probably came with some television I bought at one time or another. I've never used one of these, but I thought it would make a great shock mount just by putting the rubber bands on here and a cold shoe here. Now the other thing I did for a cushion on the shoulder rig was to use pipe covering, rubber type pipe covering. I used two layers on the right side because shoulders kind of slope. So to build it up on the right side, I used two layers of that foam, but that's inexpensive also. So we'll see if it's any good or not shortly.